Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how I clean my headliner and sun visors. We need a couple of products. I'll put links in the description where you can buy them, but you can also get these products at your local big box retail store or AutoZone, Advanced Auto Parts, or O'Reilly's. So let's go over the products first and then we'll do the cleaning process. So I'll be using Chemical Guys Nonsense Invisible Super Cleaner. And it's got a pH balance that's neutral, lifts and suspends dirt, leaves no residue, no chemical smell. So very cool product. I'll be using the Rag Company edgeless microfiber cloth so I won't damage my material. So they don't have an edge so they won't scratch or any tags. So I really like these microfiber cloths. And then I also have Chemical Guys detailing brush. They sell a set of 3, and you can either get these fancy ones or you can get some I think AutoZone has some for like $5 or $7 for the set of 3. Those are the materials we're going to be using. Now my car is not that dirty, but you can kind of see here some darker areas like right here. So we're going to clean this area here, and then I do have like a dirty spot somewhere there. You can't really see it because the sun is like beating on it. So the best way I like to do this is apply the product directly on the brush so I don't get overspray everywhere. And usually you want to do this outside the car, but I got this protecting the seat. You can see it, I've even got everywhere. Alright, so we got this. Okay, so we're going to keep applying the product. There we go. Now it's a little foamy, so that's better. This actually gets all this solution in the little grooves there, so once you put the product on there, use the microfiber cloth, wipe it down, and it might look a little darker because it's wet, but once it dries, I'll come back and record it. You can tell there where it's wet a little bit, so I'll let this dry and then we'll come back and look at it. Alright guys, so I don't know if you can tell that right there, and then right there is a little dirt. So I'm gonna do the same process, apply the product on the brush, brush this out, and then wipe it with the microfiber cloth. This I can still feel is a little wet, but now it's blending in with the regular color. So you can tell those little dark spots that were here are no longer there. So your headliner really doesn't get that dirty, but sometimes somebody will touch it with like dirty fingers. That section looks like it's pretty dry. It might be a little, it feels still a little wet to the touch. But I'm pretty sure once it dries off completely, you won't even notice. So no more stains right there, the one right here. While I was doing all that, I noticed this section here. So we're gonna clean up that little area here, and then that right there. Okay, so I hope you guys can see that well. It's a little dark, but we're gonna clean this area up. So once again, all that grime and dirt that was stuck here is now gone, and once this dries off, it'll match up the same color as this. So remember, use a clean microfiber cloth to wipe that product off your vehicle. So I'll leave the links in the description if you guys want to grab these items. But if you do have a large area on your headliner that's dirty, you could use the leather brush that they sell. It's very soft and you can cover more area with that.